In this lesson of Serbian language, I will teach you 40 most common adjectives in Serbian language. For those who are new to my channel and new to Serbian language, adjectives in Serbian, same as nouns, have three genders: masculine, feminine, and neutral. And their gender depends on the noun they go with. So if noun is of masculine gender, the adjective will be also of masculine gender. I will show you the list of most common adjectives. They will appear here. They will be given in the masculine form, and then I will explain you how to make feminine and neutral forms from them. So, dobar, good, loš, zao, lep, ružan, visok, nizak, kratak, dug, velik, mali, nov, star, pametan, glup, divan, prljav, čist, hrabar, mio, drag, strašan, gorak, sladak, lak, težak, drzak, ljut, srećan, veseo, dubok, plitak, skup, jeftin, srećan, tužan, običan, neobičan, zdrav, bolestan. So those are these 40 most common adjectives that we use in Serbian. They will appear on a daily basis, and some of them more often, some of them less, but those are some kind of basic ones. And now, how to make feminine and neutral adjectives, gender for those adjectives. So, the first example, I will also tell you the characteristics of them. Masculine adjectives in singular end with consonant or with an O. Examples with consonants are dobar, loš, nizak, and examples for masculine ending with O are zao, vesel, Adjectives for feminine gender for singular end with a. Loša, visoka, dobra, niska, zla. If adjective has an a before the last consonant in masculine gender, then that a will fall out. Will be dobar in masculine, and then it will transform to dobra, dobra in feminine. Ružan, ružna, a falls out, and you add a as the ending of feminine gender. If adjective in masculine form ends in O, you can pretend that O is actually L, as if it was mil, zal, vesel, because that's some historical change that happened there. So if in masculine it ends with O, it will end with la in feminine, vesel, vesela, vesel in masculine, vesela in feminine. Neutral gender in singular form ends with O or with E. Lepo, dobro, visoko, loše. Those ending with A are pretty rare. Here is basically the same change as with the feminine form. The A before the last consonant falls out, and you add the ending for neutral, O. Lep will be lepo. Well, dobar will transform to dobro. The A falls out. Adjectives of masculine gender in plural will end with E. The A from the masculine singular form before the last consonant falls out. Dobar, momak, will transform to dobri, momci. So, dobar, A falls out, you add E, dobri. Visok, visoki. And some forms of masculine in singular and in plural are the same. For example, mali can be mali čovek, and also can be mali ljudi. Adjectives in feminine form in plural have ending e. Basically, the process is the same as with singular form, but you have e instead of a. Dobra, dobre. Lepe, visoke. Loše, duge. Adjectives of neutral gender in plural are exactly the same as feminine in singular. Dobra deca, loša deca, niska, velika. So that should be all. If there are any more questions, then you can write the comment. You can suggest me some topics you would like to hear about on this channel regarding learning language, or about some facts about Serbian language or culture, or country. I hope you learned something new. See you in next video.